In the forest where the trees stand tall, lives a tiny friend so proud and small. With a coat so bright like the morning sun, meet the golden lion Tamarin on the run. Golden lion Tamarin swinging through the trees, in the canopy they move with ease. With fur like golden eyes that gleam, they're the rulers of the jungle's dream. With nimble hands and a majestic crown, they explore the forest up and down. In their world where the branches sway, golden lion tamarins, they love to play. 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 Golden lion tamarins in their dance. Golden lion tamarins in their dance. Golden lion tamarin with a heart so pure, in the forest they'll always endure. For in their world so wild and free, golden lion tamarins, a sight to see.